A lot of times people want to be put on, or they're waiting for something crazy to happen, right? But the thing I will tell you is that you have to leverage what you have. What you have is your best and most likely free resource. What you have is your opportunity for you to get started or whatever your vision is. And for me in janitorial space, when I got started, remember, my wife and I just moved into a new state. We were new parents. Like everything was new to us, right? What I did was I was like, well, I I I have this gift of making friends very easily, right? So let me start making friends with these janitors that are work in this building. And I started to make friends with these janitors in the building, and they would teach me a lot of things. Like for example, my first floor strip and wax, the the janitor in the building taught me how to do it. He came with me to the job, taught me how to use a floor buffer, the pads to use, the chemicals, and what to do when you're working in certain situations. I actually have a video of my first time using the floor machine. In the middle of the job, we were both tired. He was like, "All right, Frank, bet." He was like, "All right, use the machine." And I'm like, "What are you talking about?" And he took an interest in me and still takes an interest in me now. Now that I've gained some knowledge and I'm teaching people now. And so what you have at your disposal is a person like me who has been doing this job for such a while, for a period of time, right? And you can leverage my knowledge. That's why janitorial coaches are important. But the point is leverage what you have. What do you have in your hand? What do you have at your disposal? You've been going door to door looking for cleaning contracts and it's not happening. Talk to your pastor. Talk to somebody in your community. Talk to somebody. They know somebody looking for somebody with your skill, right? They know somebody who knows somebody looking for somebody with your skill set or with your passion, with your desire, with your intention. And you never know, from that it can become a benefit, financial benefit, a business understanding benefit to you. So leverage what you have. That's the point. Leverage what you have. One of the best ways you can leverage what you have is giving us a call. Janitorial Coaching Hub, 857-334-8860, and just saying, hey, I want to get started on my cleaning business. I have a 9 to 5, or I don't have a 9 to 5. How can you best help me to get started on my cleaning business? That is, we are a resource that you have. Use it to your benefit. All right. See you around.